back to my channel. So I'm here with my friend Zara, and today's video is going to be very, very special today. So because we're going to let the spinner decide which station we're going to go to.
That's scary.
Okay, so how it works is that I brought my iPad with me, and I have the Spinny app on there, and I've put some of the stations that we're going to go to. I'm not going to explain all of them because there is a lot that I've chosen, so I'm going to make a list and I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys to see all the list of the stations and stuff I have put on the spinning wheel. So yeah, it is nearly 1:30, so I guess it's time that we should get started with our challenge. And I like that drink, it's so yummy.
It's delicious.
Yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. I just got all the stations on here. So yep, Sarah, are you ready to spin?
Yes.
All right, let's see.
This is scary. Glen Ferry.
Glen Ferry! Yoshi time, let's go! Guys, it's so crazy. I was talking about Yoshi beforehand, and now we've officially got it. Yeah, we're gonna grab it on our way, and I'm gonna do a separate video of me reviewing again. Okay. Yeah, I know, right?
We are doing improvement works between Burnley to Glenveagh. Glenveagh passes.
Yeah, sure, let's sit here. Yep, we did it. Bye, Melbourne Central for now.
They added the stations.
Yeah. This is the map, everyone. It's really interesting, isn't it? And I can't believe how there's like B-lines and stuff as well. I haven't actually gone on it, but probably will later in the future if I have time. It is raining outside. Not a very good weather today because it's very cold, but that's okay. At least we are pretty much indoor pretty much the whole day. Yeah. The next one is Richmond, so yeah. Okay guys, here we are. Okay, we arrived at the first station now. So what we're gonna do first, as I mentioned before, we're gonna grab Yoshi. Yes, I'm so excited to have it again. And I'll get back to you guys after we finish Yoshi time, and obviously we'll definitely make a separate video on that. Yeah. Okay everyone, so it's officially my turn to spin, so I'm gonna spin it now. Let's see what we're gonna get. Fairfield, okay, that's nice.
Is there any
Okay, we're gonna make a bit of like a change. We're not gonna go to Fairfield, we're gonna go to Dennis, which is actually one stop before Fairfield, because we're not gonna have a lot of time. I just realized it's 2:30 or something. Like,
Yeah.
why is the time so fast? Wait, 2:27. Like, it's crazy how fast the time goes. Really? Insane. But anyways, I'll meet you guys when we're at Flinders Street, I believe. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. just made it. What a coincidence. It's leaving in a minute and we ended up getting on here on time. So, yeah. Sorry, I'm just kind of out of breath. So we're in Flinders Street right now. We're going all the way to Dennis, which is right here. We're on the Hurst Street line for those who don't know. So yeah. Guys, so busy. I've never seen a train being so busy, just like in peak hour, right?
Free train.
Yes, everyone wants to, like, you know, take free trains and stuff, because obviously, you know what's happening in the world right now.
Yes.
So yeah.
I went to Giggles last night and the DJ played this really cool mashup with one of Checkmate's songs, and I'm trying to find it because I really want to be able to play it like on Spotify.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to find the DJ, so I'm on a hunt right now.
Yeah. Yeah. So definitely highly recommend. Yeah, right? Yeah. If you're ever in Melbourne, please definitely go check them out. Let's give them a little shout out. And there's a little Sabrina Carpenter on the billboard. I'm just going to show you guys quickly. So as you can see over there, it looks so cool. I love Sabrina Carpenter. She's really nice. Okay guys, so for the rest of the time we're just gonna like chillax, enjoy our ride and whatnot, and we're gonna do some bit of talk. Sorry guys, it's so loud, so don't mind about the noises in the background. So yeah, okay. So I'm not gonna lie, the last video I did the train was when I went on the Metro Tunnel. If you guys haven't checked that out, feel free to. Okay, that's much better. Sorry guys, it was so loud before. So yeah.
Now arriving at Jolimont.
But thank you guys so much for your support on that video. It was so interesting how a lot of people found my video. So yeah. I was a bit distracted guys. I did not realize we were already in Jolimont. But anyways, we're departing now.
Richmond.
Okay, I don't think I've told you guys this, but we're actually not reviewing the stations. We're just doing this challenge for fun. And I'm gonna start like a new series on this. I want to do this more often, exploring new stations and kind of like, you know, getting to know the lines and whatnot, because majority of the lines I have not been on before. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited. Oh, we're leaving North Richmond now, which is nice. Alright, here we go everyone. Quite liking this challenge so far. Right. gonna go down here. And we're gonna go through the other way round right now. This is so cool. I never been to this station before. Okay?
It's a cute little station.
Yeah. Oh wait, is that a little tunnel that we can go through? Let's find out. Sick. Well, yes, that's it. I was like thinking to myself, like, how am I gonna get to one platform to another? I was like, yeah. Oh, I was like, oh wait, it's a tunnel, a secret little tunnel. Yep. This is the pros of free public transport is to go to all the stations we haven't been to and enjoy the rush.
All in April, because then we'll have to pay.
Yeah, I know, right?
Remember to touch on.
Yeah, that's right. Free public transport's only in April, by the way, so it's not something that we get to do this very often for free. So yeah. Okay guys, so we've ticked off Glenferrie, we've ticked off Dennis, aka Fairfield, even though they're not the same station, but that's okay.
Well, they're like, Fairfield, wait, no, it's that way.
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
no, it's this way.
Yeah, it's that way, so yeah. Okay, anyways, let's do another one.
Okay.
Sarah's turn now. What we get?
Tuesdale.
Who's Should we skip or would you like to continue? Guys, let's spin again. It's just too far. I can't remember how long the train is going to come. I saw last it says it's 6 minutes, but what else? Okay.
Only a couple more minutes.
Yes.
And then we'll do the rest.
Yes.
And more of the new stations, because I want to see those.
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do a series on my channel, guys. So there'll be times where I'll be doing it with some of my other friends as well, and also I'm gonna do it with Zara as well, because she's really interested in wanting to kind of like, you know, exploring the new stations.
Yeah, and like I've only ever been on Lilydale, Belgrave and Alamein lines, and actually I've been on Sandringham, but that's it. So
Yeah.
I want to see the other lines.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then, yep. And then we'll do the complex one next time once we have enough time, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. So yes, everyone, stay tuned for more to come. Please make sure if you want to stay up to date with my content, feel free to subscribe as well. Because there'll be more stuff to come around Melbourne. I'm going to be doing quite a lot of like Melbourne related content. So yeah, oh, I think I can hear like a train coming.
Yeah.
City bound train, yes, that's us. Okay, so basically it's actually a good way to just kind of get out of like studying and stuff, because oh my gosh, it's so hectic, isn't it?
I know, it's crazy.
Yes. So, what have you been doing in uni so far?
Coding, lots of coding.
Yeah. Well, simplest thing is about technical stuff, which is actually pretty good. You're really good at it, so yeah. And personally, I got a role play exam happening, I don't know, in 3 weeks. I got a presentation next week, and then like another uni break happening for like 1.5 weeks, and then like the second week of the uni break I got a role play exam. So that's what's been happening for my schedules. And yeah, it's been really tricky for me to make content for you guys. Very sorry about that, but I'll have more content to come, I promise. There'll be lots of stuff happening on my channel, so it's actually really nice. Okay guys, this is actually really cool. From Pony. Oh wow, that's nice. She actually got the sticker. They were handing out the sticker at one of the stations, so it was actually really cool.
Yeah, the mum made the app that the little girl was handing out the stickers. It was really cute.
Yeah, I know, right? Definitely. This is not sponsored, by the way, but please feel free to like download this app. It's so good.
Yeah.
so many people. I don't know why I'm laughing so much.
We're going through Burnley, guys.
Yeah, we're going to Burnley, everyone. So, wait. Wait, I don't even make sense at all. I said before that we're not going to have time, but we're just going to slot in a little bit of time to go to Burnley. So, yeah, we're going to go there and kind of like see the Burnley station. Sorry guys if I don't make any sense before, but I hope that makes a little entertainment for you guys because it's so much fun doing this. So yeah. Guys, this is just pure chaos right now. Okay, anyways, glad the sun is coming up and there's another train over there which is actually very, very interesting. Oh, and there's a bee line as well. We're gonna go through the loop now. Burnley's actually not that far. So yeah, we're gonna get to Burnley before we wrap up this video. Hey guys, 2 more stops left till it's Burnley. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it is so crowded in here, right? Like, I can't literally, I thought it was a Friday or something today, but I realized it was a Saturday. It's actually the weekend, so it's actually interesting. Okay, there's more space. Yes,
Are we staying on the train though?
yes, we're not gonna get off. Do you want to get off or?
No.
Nah, okay.
Too hard. Just stay. Guys, we're here. Burnley. So this is Burnley station over here. So yeah. Alright guys, so Zara and I are gonna go. We're gonna go somewhere now. So we're gonna kind of like wrap up the video here because like, oh my gosh, this is just pure chaos. Like, I don't know what to say about this video, but I guess it was worth it. Definitely. Yes. How would you rate today? 9 out of 10.
Yeah. Same. Definitely a 9 out of 10. We'll do that again for sure, and it just teaches us new things as well. So yeah. Anyways, whole station. Sorry guys about the loudness in the background. Like, this is just chaos. But I guess we're gonna wrap it up here because this is pretty much it. But anyways, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.